Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel date format change. Excel stores dates as unique serial numbers, starting from January 1st, 1900, which is represented by the number 1. This numerical system allows for precise calculations and consistent data handling. For instance, December 31st, 9,999 is the largest date Excel can handle. Grasping this fundamental concept is key to mastering date formatting and avoiding common errors. To customize your date formats, first select the cells containing the dates you want to change. Then, right-click on your selection and choose Format Cells. In the dialog box, go to the Number tab and select Date from the category list. Here, you can pick from many predefined formats or even create your own unique display using custom codes for a personalized touch. For more advanced control, custom date formats are incredibly powerful. Use D for a single-digit day, DD for a two-digit day, and DDD for a three-letter day abbreviation. Similarly, M is for month, MM for 2 digits, and MMMM for the full month name. Combining these codes, like DDMMMEI, allows you to create virtually any date display you need, offering immense flexibility. Sometimes, dates might appear as 5-digit numbers, indicating a lack of proper formatting. Text dates, which Excel doesn't recognize as actual dates, can lead to significant calculation errors and incorrect sorting. Always verify your regional settings align with your intended date format to prevent display issues. If you have text dates, use the Text to Columns feature to convert them into a usable date format for accurate data analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.